Take a ride in the 2027 Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser is packed to the gills with luxurious features, yet retains the off-road prowess and rugged, durable nature it's known for. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, security system, electronic stability control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.